And the governor says that as more people get vaccinated, we'll soon be able to start planning more events like proms, parades, and graduation ceremonies. But in the meantime, schools are looking forward to hopefully giving students a return to quote-unquote normal traditions. NBC Connecticut's Jennifer Joas explains.
I think that all plans are tentative right now.
Glastonbury Superintendent Alan Bookman says the district is planning on having graduation here. What it will look like is still being determined.
We would love to have graduation outside on our grounds, which we usually have. However, we're not quite sure. If things stay the way they are right now and we don't have vaccinations, we will probably do graduation in 2 shifts. Maybe 2 in one day.
One of the 2 main things driving his decision-making is knowing there are new variants of COVID circulating that doctors say could spread more easily. It's a concern as Glastonbury is bringing back all 6 through 12 grade students full-time in just 2 weeks following spring break. At the same time, Bookman is also thinking about vaccinations for teens 16 and older. Glastonbury schools reached out to Hartford Healthcare to see if they can arrange a clinic for high school students. But Bookman says the healthcare provider is waiting to see how the state wants to proceed in assigning providers to different districts. All of this has influenced Bookman's decision to most likely not have a senior ball this year.
There does not seem to be the possibility, unless vaccines are given to all the students, there does not seem to be the possibility of having any kind of venue for 500 plus. And that's not permissible under the state rules as far as COVID is concerned, and it's not even safe. So the answer is definitely not as far as having any place that will accommodate them.
Other school districts like Berlin are moving forward with plans. They're having a senior ball at Cascade Fine Catering in Hamden. The plan is to have prom outside under tents. Only students in the class of 2021 can attend, no other grades or outside guests. For graduation, it'll be outside at Sage Park at 5 o'clock on June 11th. Governor Ned Lamont says he plans to announce further guidance soon. In Glastonbury, Jennifer Joas, NBC Connecticut News.